The myth is that flying private is all flash and excess. The reality is much simpler. It's about control, privacy, and efficiency. No waiting, no crowds, and no wasted time. For many travelers, it's not a lifestyle flex, it's a practical choice. Private aviation removes friction from travel and replaces it with calm and consistency. The real luxury isn't what you see online, it's how smoothly everything works. When travel feels effortless, the difference becomes clear. Discover the real private jet experience with RitzyJet flights. Book your private jet today at RitzyJet.com.